Hello everyone, welcome back to Arpita's Tech Corner. I hope you like this video series. So in this video, we are going to explore the notebook using SparkR. So in my previous videos, I have explored this notebook using PySpark, then Spark SQL. Now it's time for SparkR. So we are exploring 3 languages, okay, in this notebook area. What is our objective? Our objective is to create the Lakehouse, then load the data, then create the notebook, and then process the data and transform the data using SparkR, and finally visualize the data with ggplot2. ggplot2 is a R package only. Okay, so this is a complete end-to-end journey for this case study. Okay, let's go to this Microsoft Fabric practical section area. So I am in Microsoft Fabric. We all know first we need to go to data engineering section, and I am going to create one workspace. That will be my training 8. Apply. I hope you already remember we need to create the Lakehouse first. I can use all the old Lakehouse also, but I want to give you the complete end-to-end process so that anyone can refer this video for their project, like how to load the data, process the data, and visualize the data. Okay, so my Lakehouse has been created. Now it's time to load the data, but I'm waiting for that SQL endpoint creation notification. Okay. Yes, now I have this notification. Now first I will upload folder. And I have this movie file here. Loading, upload. We have loaded these 2 files. Now it's time to open a new notebook. So my new notebook is there. I just want to rename this. This time I'll be very careful. Exploring SparkR. So let me change this notes like movie data analysis with SparkR. And I'm just removing these notes. Okay. Click on code. What is our first objective? First, we need to change this. It should be SparkR. By default, it's always PySpark. So you just remember you need to change this language. So similar way in our Spark SQL, we have observed that these 2 percentage signs are there, and the Spark SQL in that case. Now here it's like a SparkR. Now first, I'll just store the file location in a variable. Okay, let me add the file. So in R, we are not using equal to, we are using this syntax. Okay, so within colon apostrophe files, what exactly we have location? Okay, movie files, and we have 2 CSV file. So I'm going to put star.csv. Now my next step is to create the data frame. In R also we are mentioning as a data frame. Okay, Python also data frame. Here also we have this data frame syntax. Now we have to load the data. Okay, What is that? First movie underscore CSV read dot df. Within bracket we have to give this file location, comma, what is the source? Source equal to CSV, comma, header equal to true, schema equal to, let me just remove this area, okay, now comma and close the bracket. Now we want to display the data also. This is movie underscore CSV. Let's run this. So our data has been loaded here. Now I'm just hiding this. Click on code. Let's examine the data. Okay, so I'm just writing a note here. Examine the data. Okay, what will be the first one? Let me check how many rows are there. Change it to SparkR. Okay, it has 200 rows. You can print the schema also. For example, print schema just need to change it to SparkR within bracket this file data frame name. So this is the schema of this data frame. Let's hide this. Now we have just examined the data. Now I'm going to use some filter condition. Let me change it to SparkR. We know we have this 200 rows. So if I put some filter condition here, now if I'm going to apply some filter condition here, okay, let me do something, movie underscore filter, and I'm using the filter function within bracket our main data frame name here, then comma data frame, and I'm going to filter based on the year value. Okay, so this is the syntax, year and greater than 2010. If you just compare the code from PySpark, Spark SQL and SparkR, so it's a similar pattern I'm trying to follow in each and every code. Okay, so and after that let me print how many rows are there. Just run this. 76. Okay, so we have filter data with 76 values. Now I want to add some group by clause here. That means I'm going to use some aggregation function. Okay, let me add there. For example, I'm just creating a new data frame, movie count, and before that I just need to change it to SparkR, otherwise it will give you always the error. Summarize is the function here, group by within bracket I'm going to use this movie filter data frame, comma movie filter, and it will be grouped by year. Then my group by clause is there, then it's comma count equal to count. I'm going to use the count aggregation function, n within bracket this movie filter data frame, then again the name field. Okay, so till now it's fine, data frame, but I want to add some more code here, like the sorting order. Let me put that head arrange is the sorting function here, and movie count comma, let me put in ascending order within bracket movie count, and based on which field? Year field. Okay, let's run this. So I have the data in a sorting way. Okay, now you want to display the data. Before that, let me install the R package. Using SparkR, I'm going to install install package within bracket ggplot2. ggplot2. Let's run this. So I've installed this R package. Let's hide this output. Click on code. Now again you need to select this SparkR, and let me create one data frame. I need to convert this movie count in a separate data frame. Okay, otherwise it will give me an error. So movie underscore count. Okay, now select code. Let me select SparkR. Okay, invoke this package library ggplot2. Enter. Let me write some basic bar plot. Okay, for example, I'm just giving as a name P, means like plot, gg plot within bracket data equal to df means this one, comma yes, x equal to year, y equal to count. What is the name? Yes, it's count. So let me put as a count. Now plus geom underscore bar. So these are all our simple R package. For the ggplot2, we have all the methods to display the data. So I'm using those methods only. Within bracket stat equal to identify. Oh, sorry, I did something wrong. It should be identity. I just write identify. Okay. Okay, my bar graph is there. Now we can, this is a vertical bar, so you can convert it to horizontal bar also. I'm just copying the code, change it to SparkR, paste that one, and here I just need to add some more lines under this P, like P plus CORD coordinate. So it's that flipping the coordinate. Okay, let's run this. Okay, this is our horizontal bar plot. If you want to change the width of this bar, you can add some width command here. For example, comma width equal to 0.3 maybe. Let's run this. Okay, so bar width is minimum. So I hope from this video you got some idea how you can use this notebook, and in that notebook you can use this SparkR language to analyze your dataset. So what we have done, first we have loaded the data in this Lakehouse. Okay, we have loaded the data in this Lakehouse. Then we have created this new notebook, Exploring SparkR. I have created this one. In this notebook, first we load the data in the CSV format. Our data is there. So first we load the data. Then we just examine the data, how it's there. Then we have this filtered the data. We have used the filter command. Then we have aggregated the data using our summarize function. And finally, we install this ggplot2 to visualize the data. So if you like this video, please share with your friend and colleague. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.